Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm here with another theory video. Well, a theory video of mine. Ugh. Excuse me. This one is about Thomas and Friends. I'll be talking about specifically the episode Ghost Train. No, not Ghost Train. Scaredy Engines. Ah, yes, Scaredy Engines. That was one of my favorite Halloween episodes. And Thomas and Friends. And looking back at the episode, I began to wonder who could have been the ghost engine Edward told about. I think. Okay, before I give out my theory, I've seen some speculation on who it could be. Some suggested that this could be the engine that once worked at the smelter's yard, but unlike Gary and Bert, she wasn't hostile, but she was scrapped because that was a scheduled date. Some say that was Timothy, which makes no sense because there's a Timothy in the actual show, and that's not Timothy the Ghost Train because he's not a real character, although that would kind of make sense though since he's a ghost train, but that's just me. I think this could be Donald Douglas's third twin. Made me thinking, how could this be possible? If you look closely at the ghost engine, it looks exactly like Donald Douglas, minus the tender. But then there's the question of why did he become a ghost engine? I'm gonna say it had something to do with. I don't think Sir Tom had scrapped it because he would never do that to his engines. You know how Oliver was almost scrapped, and so was Stepney? Yeah, I like to think that maybe at one point Sir Topham had appreciated Donald Douglas more than the third one. Basically, Sir Topham had decided to buy Donald Douglas and decided to leave the third one behind. At some time during the events of seasons 2 and 3, when he was trying to buy the third engine, or maybe the third brother, Scottish twin, or Scottish triplet, he was caught by Airy and Byrne, then was scrapped, and he lost his whistle. Yeah, sad and unfortunate. But that's just my theory. Who do you think the ghost engine Edward talked about could be? Do you think it could be Donald Douglas's third brother? Or do you have your idea as to who it could be? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, stay tuned for more videos soon enough. Anyways, bye bye.